Hey everyone, we need to talk. It's about you and your Skilsaw. As you can see, we have 3 different Skilsaws sitting here. The newer ones come with this handy little hook. These older ones are very sad. They don't have a Rafter Hook. But here at M&M Tool, we can make all your dreams come true. We have a hook just for you. Today I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to add a hook to your Skilsaw. Okay, to add the hook to your Mag 77, all you're going to need is a screwdriver, a T25, and of course your brand new hook part with extra long screws provided by M&M Tool, and you'll be set to go. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all things Skilsaw and so much more.